Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 66 points. Monday was a wild ride for investors. On Sunday, President Trump tweeted that he would add more tariffs to Chinese products this week as it appeared trade negotiations had broken down. The Dow was down over 460 points, but was able to bounce back after news coming out of China stated China would continue trade talks. In earnings news, Bausch Health Companies reported an EPS beat of 17 cents, but missed on revenue by $10 million, and AIG beat EPS estimates by 52 cents. On Tuesday, the Dow closed down 473 points. Investors continued to worry about new tariffs placed on Chinese products and the global economic impact it would have. China reported a trade surplus of $13.8 billion, lower than the $32.7 billion the country reported in March, and a 2.7% decline from April 2018. Lyft reported earnings for the first time as a public company, and it was not good. The company missed EPS estimates by $7.95, but did beat revenue estimates by $36 million. EA reported an earnings beat by 10 cents and a revenue beat by $160 million, and Sprint reported an EPS beat of negative 53 cents and a revenue beat by $250 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 2 points. It was another volatile session related to the China-US trade tensions. In other news, Uber drivers across the world went on strike a few days before the company's big IPO. Drivers protested the large payouts that Uber execs are expected to make after the IPO. In more Uber news, the company priced its IPO towards the lower half of its price range. We can only assume the current market volatility due to the US-China trade tensions and the unspectacular performance of the Lyft IPO had something to do with the pricing. In earnings news, Disney beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $390 million. Roku beat EPS estimates by 17 cents and revenue estimates by $16.9 million. And Etsy beat EPS estimates by 9 cents, but missed on revenue by $1 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 138 points. If you didn't get the gist from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, investors are worried about trade. In other news, Gilead Sciences agreed to donate HIV meds to 200,000 Americans a year for possibly up to 11 years. Nice work, Gilead. In earnings news, we had GoPro on Thursday reporting earnings beating EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $8.3 million. Wynn Resorts reported an EPS beat of 3 cents, but missed on revenue by $10 million, and the company also declared a $1 quarterly dividend. Yelp reported earnings per share of 2 cents, which was in line with analyst estimates, and the company beat revenue estimates by $1 million. And Dropbox beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $4 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 114 points after being down 358 points. A tweet from President Trump stating that the trade talks with China are progressing brought money back into the markets and drove the markets back up. But the money coming into the market seemed to have missed Uber. The IPO we've all been waiting for happened, and it was incredibly underwhelming. Uber went public at $45 per share and closed the day out at $41.57 per share. In earnings news, Marriott beat EPS estimates by 7 cents but missed on revenue by $150 million. Overall in the markets, all three major indexes were down on the week. The issue surrounding the US-China trade war took a lot of air out of the sails. In crypto news, Bitcoin reclaimed the $6,000 level. That's a significant price level for the digital currency. It spent much of 2018 trading in that $6,000 range. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin was trading at $6,370.63. Ethereum was trading at $174.63. Litecoin was trading at $76.59, and Ripple was trading at 29 cents. Crude oil traded sideways during the week and closed the week out at $61.73 per barrel. The big winner for the week was Shockwave Medical, SWAV, which increased 32% on the week. A big loser for the week, Puma Biotech. The stock lost 43% of its value over the week. A weekly reminder that our latest quarterly newsletter is available at SevilleReport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Also, a link to our weekend article In Focus is in the description below. Before you make a buy or sell decision, definitely check out In Focus. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.